Here's how to fix Package Installer not working on Android. First, check the APK file that you're trying to install. Make sure the file was downloaded completely and isn't damaged or corrupted. If the APK wasn't downloaded properly, the package installer may crash every time you try to install it. If needed, delete the current APK and download it again from a trusted source, then try installing it once more. If the problem continues, the next step is to check for a software update on your Android device. Open the Settings app, scroll down to System or Software Update, depending on your phone, and tap Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and let your phone restart. Updating Android can fix bugs that may be causing the package installer to stop unexpectedly. If your phone is already up to date, restart your device. Press and hold the power button or the power and volume buttons depending on your phone, then tap Restart. Once the phone turns back on, try installing the APK again. If you're still unable to install the application, check whether the same app is available on the Google Play Store. Installing apps directly from the Play Store is generally more reliable because the files are verified and less likely to cause installation errors. Search for the app in the Play Store and install it from there if it's available. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.